G'day everybody and welcome to Stuffed Up Crypto. This is Steve and this is a place where we talk about all things crypto. Today we'll have a quick look at the Bitcoin chart and we can see here that at the moment we're all in green. About 3 hours ago we were all in red. So we've had a dip, a comeback, and we're hitting resistance right at the moment. So the next few hours will determine whether we break through that resistance or we keep bouncing along underneath the resistance. The RSI is low. We've got plenty of volume. We're underneath the 6-month trend line. So the next few hours will determine how Bitcoin's going to move here, whether we stay below the resistance line and possibly drop further, or whether we break through and move to the upside. Okay, that's just some interest in the chart. So another thing to show you here is the Bitcoin balance on exchanges. And this is really interesting because what it shows is that holders of Bitcoin are keeping their Bitcoin off exchanges. Even though we're going through a dip at the moment, Bitcoin holders are not selling. They're holding on. So that's an interesting statistic. What you can see here off the graph is in January 2018, when we had the large dip here, and we went sideways for a long time, people were selling their Bitcoin. Okay, sell Bitcoin, price goes down. Here, people since about February, March this year are not selling Bitcoin. People accumulating Bitcoin. So less Bitcoin on the market, less Bitcoin on exchanges. That should lead to increased prices. Supply and demand, simple 101. So keep an eye on that as well. Now, a story in the news, which you've probably all seen, is about Evergrand, China's largest builder, having lots of troubles, potentially going bankrupt and closing up. Now, there's a lot of talk about this affecting the stock market and thereby having some effect on the crypto currency network as well. Well, Evergrande has missed their last interest payment and their ratings have been downgraded, and people basically are waiting to see what's going to happen. Now, the CCP in China has a part in every organisation. Every company has to report to the CCP, and all the larger organisations such as this one have CCP members involved with the company. So they're there on a day-to-day basis. So it's up to the CCP what they want to do about this. If Evergrande fails, then it won't be affecting the CCP, it'll be affecting Western investors. So if Western investors lose their money, I don't think that's too much of a problem for the CCP. Construction will keep going on, and it may just be restructured under a new name. The debts are cleared, and the CCP gets to continue its construction of its units for its population as they bring people from farms to the cities. And that's the plan, the 30-year plan of the CCP. So as far as they're concerned, everything's going fine. Foreign investors challenge that trend at their peril. The Communist Party controls the local courts, has a history of leaving foreign investors with little or nothing. You can just look at so many different cases that go through the Chinese courts, and the results just, they're not held to the same standards as the Western courts, and that's the way China operates. So Western investors likely to lose their money, stock market to have a blip, and then we'll move on. Okay. Next thing we'd like to look at here is the Novi digital wallet, created by Facebook, now Meta, and what it can do. Why are we looking at it today? Well, Novi is a digital wallet from Facebook, helps you send and receive money instantly and securely, move money across borders for everyday needs, monthly expenses and special occasions, today with no fees. So we've got a way to send money worldwide with no fees, all in the digital wallet as part of Meta, Facebook's plan to expand into the metaverse, into cryptocurrency, and just into everybody's everyday lives. Now, what they've done to help achieve that is with their WhatsApp, they've launched cryptocurrency payments pilot in the US. So this is a screenshot of a WhatsApp program where you can send money to another user just by clicking on the paperclip here, attaching the payment and sending, and the people get their money. So whether you're making a payment to someone else, whether you're buying something, paying for a meal, sending money to a friend, it all gets done and it's feeless. So partnering with WhatsApp means now, even though this initial trial is in the US and it's just for a few people to test the system, iron out the bugs, once it happens, this Novi wallet will be available to the 2 billion users of WhatsApp worldwide. So is there any stopping this? No way. It's going to be the wallet of choice, especially throughout the third world, Asia, where WhatsApp is a really big app. So something to keep an eye on, really interesting. Where's it going to go? Well, it's all good for Meta. Let's see what happens in this space. Now, before we leave today, I just thought we'd have a quick look at the altcoin season index. And if we have a look here, it's not altcoin season yet, not according to this chart. Bitcoin season is below, altcoin season's in the above, and we're still closer to the Bitcoin season. So that's just an interesting chart to have a quick look at, and yeah, just get an idea. Is the altcoin season about to take off? Well, according to this, not quite yet. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed some of what I had to talk about, and we'll talk again soon. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye for now.